I'm no longer trying to break down the wall. I just touch it warmly. I just caress and laugh quietly until the wall softens. I just walk into the wall while laughing. If I walked slowly into the wall, I can walk along the barley field road where spring snow falls, and I can see the spring sea where small boats float quietly between the islands. I once thought there were only walls in the wall. I once held a hammer to break down the wall in the wall. Whenever I hit the wall with a hammer, I became a wall. Friends who hit the wall with hammers with me eventually became walls too. The wall that didn't collapse even more as I tried to break it down was a wall made of walls. I'm no longer trying to break down the wall. I'm just a flower climbing up the wall. I just opened my fist that was hitting the wall and pet it warmly. I just pet the wall until it becomes bread and eat a piece of bread per cup of water. I just go out on the street with the bread and share it to hungry people one by one. This is a poem titled The Wall, of the unknown author. You will remember the scene in the movie, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, where boy Harry breaks through the wall of London's King's Cross Station to enter Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. When I saw the scene, I realized that doors exist on every wall. If you only look at the wall, you can't see the door. Even though it's possible, if you think it's impossible, you'll see the wall. But even though it's impossible, if you think it's possible, you'll see the door. That's right. Doors exist on every wall. Anyone who doesn't think of the wall of life as a wall of despair can find the door of hope on that wall. Professor Randy Pausch of Carnegie Mellon University in the United States, widely known for his videos and books titled The Last Lecture, said, "The brick walls are there for a reason. The brick walls are not there to keep us out. The brick walls are there to give us a chance to show how badly we want something. Because the brick walls are there to stop the people who don't want it badly enough.